In this video, you are going to see how to insert online picture in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this option, Online Picture. Now, let us search the picture. I want to insert a picture of a mango. So let us write here mango, and I can choose a mango of my choice. Let us choose this one and click on Insert. Then the image will be inserted. Let us click on this text and press the delete button, then it will be deleted. There is another option. Go to any browser and write mango and search here. Then go to image. Then you will find the image of the mango. Suppose I want to add this one. Click on the image. Click on right button. Click on copy image. Then go to PowerPoint and press Ctrl V. Then the image will be pasted over here. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.